everybody, this is Opster Gaming here. Today I'll be showing you guys how to add a webcam and an external microphone to your OBS Studio. So first of all, you're going to want to download OBS Studio. To do that, go to your browser, OpenGX, Edge, Chrome, whatever you use, Bing even. You go search OBS Studio, go to downloads and make sure to download it. Download it for your right platform, so Windows, Linux, Mac, whichever one you use. Make sure to download the correct one, otherwise it won't work. Once you've downloaded it, install the software. Make sure to go with the recommended settings, unless you have something very specific that you want. I recommend to go with the recommended settings for your device, as it sets it up all properly and easy. Once you've done that, you should be at this screen here, and then once we're here, you can go to the plus button, go to video capture device. I keep it as the same name, but you can name whatever you want, webcam if you want, and then you press OK. Look for your device. Mine's a Depstech webcam. I recommend to keep capture audio on. Press OK. Now obviously so I didn't want to speak then because I had both microphones on, so you'd have an overlapping of two microphones and you wouldn't have been able to hear me very well. Now I recommend to size this however the hell you want it. I'm going to put it right here. Obviously you can't see me because I've got a cover on my webcam, but your webcam of course would show your face if you've got your cover off. So this is a working webcam. Now the reason to why I've turned off this one here is because of the fact that that one is going to be the microphone built into the webcam, and this other one is the integrated one, which is the one built into your device, your laptop, computer. So the reason why I've muted the video capture device one is because I don't want to use the microphone built into the webcam. Now if you want to use the one built into the webcam, I recommend that you turn off your mic AUX and then make sure to turn on your video capture device. But this video is about using an external microphone. So we're going to mute the video capture device one for now. And now that we've done this, we're going to go and add another thing. So we're going to go to audio input capture. Add that. Press OK. Look for your device. I'm going to go Intel. So now you can see it's been added. If you're wondering why I muted it, it's because of the fact that I've already got my integrated microphone built in here, so I've just muted it for now. Obviously you're going to want to turn this one on and keep this one off here because you're going to be using an external microphone, and I'm guessing that you want to use that microphone. So make sure to turn that one on. And that is how you use them. Of course, if you plan to use your integrated one like I am, just your built-in microphone, I would even go through the effort of adding an external microphone. Just use your built-in one here. Much easier, and it's already set up for you. So make sure it's on. Now you might notice that my desktop audio is off. The reason for that is because of the fact that it can cause echoes and a bit of distortion in your audio. It doesn't always. I always keep it off unless I need it on. Of course, if you need it on so you can get your desktop audio on there, make sure to turn it on, and then make sure to turn it up and down. Just do a couple of different recordings and see what it sounds like, because what you want to do is make sure that your desktop audio isn't overpowering your mic, because you want to be able to hear yourself on it. If people can't hear you with the desktop audio, then there's no point in having the mic. So you'll have to turn it up and down a bit, do some testing and see how it sounds. And once you've done that, then of course it's fine. But of course if you're doing something like I am right now, but I don't need the desktop audio, just turn it off. That's the best thing to do. And just keep on your microphone. But hopefully that covers everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. For now, hope you guys have a good day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell icon for more technology content. For now, peace out.